So in this chapter, we're going to create a particle system. We're going to just create a little demonstration project, a little demonstration game that does a particle explosion. Now, to do this, we're going to need a lot of different particles to make it look nice. Now, some of these are going to be of 100% opacity, and some of them are going to be less opacity. So the less opacity means that they're going to be partially transparent. So we're going to have 4 levels. We're going to have 100% opaque, which means they're all 100% solidly there, and then 75, 50, and 25% opaque, which means they're more and more transparent. This would be like, the little bits of the explosion just sort of dissolving and fading away into nothingness. So there's a lot of these. We've got actually a number of different colors we just have available, so we can make explosions that look like all kinds of things. We can have fireworks, we can have water splashes and whatnot with the colors we have. So we're just going to bring them all in. We're going to create variables for all of them, and just to set up our project to do pretty much anything we want with it. So we'll open Visual Studio here, and we're going to create a new project, and a Windows Game 4.0, of course. And we're already in our projects directory here, so we'll just give it a new name, and I'm going to call this particles underscore, and then give it a personal name. So I'm going to use a cartoon character here, and click OK. And sooner or later, there we go. Okay, so now here in our content directory, we're going to add the images. So right click, add, and we'll create a new folder, and we'll call the new folder images. And then right click on the folder and add existing items, and navigate to our game assets directory, and we have a folder here called color sprites, and there they are. They're a bunch of different colors, and select them all. First one, shift, select the last one, add, and after a second, there they are. So there's a naming convention to them. Hopefully that helps. 100 means 100% opaque. 25 means 25% opaque. We've got one more thing to add, and that's this one called boom.png. Now that is actually the bomb. Yes, it's the bomb. So we've got those in there now. Now we need some variables for them. So up at the top of the game, one.class. These are all texture 2Ds, and use a naming convention similar to the image names. So particle underscore 00 underscore 00, texture 2D, particle image. I left the color out of these names, which the images have. 00, 01. Remember, there's 00 through 03 for each of these in the second number set, and then 00 through 012, I think, for the first number set. So we'll just do a few of these here, and then we'll skip ahead so this video doesn't take all day. Okay, there they are. And now we need to load them. So we'll come down to content, load content. And so then the first one here, particle image 0000 is equal to content dot load less than, it's a texture 2D, greater than, open paren, double quote, images, a couple of slashes, and now the actual image name 00 underscore 00 underscore dark red. And underscore 100, close quote, close paren, semicolon. There we go, looks good. On to the next one, 0001, content.load. It's all going to look very similar. Okay, there's that one. And skipping ahead. So there they all are. And these are all in your book, obviously. So one thing is, this is a lot of lines of code to be here in the load method. So I'm going to move them. So we highlight all of them, then right-click and choose Refactor, Extract Method. And we've got to give this a name. And anything that's not used or a keyword will work, but load sprite images is descriptive. So there it is. So in our load content, we've got a call to that, but let's give it an extra line here. And then here's our method. Of course, you know I like to keep the 5 original game methods together. So we cut this, move down to the bottom, underneath the draw, paste it in. There it is. That's good. There's that. All there. Okay, so we'll save it. And that's it for this video.